Want more views on YouTube? We'll show you how. Creating engaging videos can be a daunting task, especially when you're juggling multiple platforms like YouTube, Shorts, and TikTok. You might find yourself spending hours scripting, filming, and editing just to get one video out the door. That's where AI tools like Fliki and vidIQ come in. With Fliki, you can turn any script or blog post into a narrated video with minimal effort, ideal for solo creators and small teams. However, remember that even the free plan has limitations, such as a watermark and limited commercial use rights. For more advanced keyword research and SEO optimization, vidIQ offers a genuinely free extension that provides real-time data and basic AI-generated ideas. While it's great for beginners, larger channels might find its free plan too limiting. Fliki is a browser-based AI tool that turns scripts into narrated videos with lifelike text-to-speech voices and AI avatars. On its free tier, you get 3 to 5 minutes of audio-video credits per month, access to over 1,000 voices across 80-plus languages, but exports are capped at 720p and carry a watermark. Paid plans start around $21 per month for roughly 30 minutes of audio-video credits. vidIQ offers keyword research, SEO scoring, and AI-generated titles/thumbnails via its free Chrome extension, which includes 150 AI credits per month. The Boost tier costs about $16 to $17 per month annually with around 2,000 AI credits, though unused credits don't roll over. First, let's set up Fliki. Start by creating an account on fliki.ai. For beginners, we recommend signing up for the free tier to test out the platform. You'll get 3 to 5 minutes of audio-video credits per month, access to over 1,000 voices across 80-plus languages, and 1-minute video scenes. However, remember that switching voices or regenerating scenes burns those credits quickly, so your actual usable output might be less than expected. Fliki excels in easy content creation with its large multilingual voice library, offering over 1,000 AI text-to-speech voices across 80-plus languages. The free tier lets you explore 3 to 5 minutes of audio-video credits per month, ideal for quick YouTube shorts or blog repurposing. For those needing more, the paid plans start at around $21 per month annually and provide robust features like voice cloning and AI-generated visuals, though the credit system can be a bit cumbersome. Ideal for solo creators and small teams looking to mass-produce engaging videos in multiple languages without the hassle of filming or hiring voice talent. One downside of Fliki is its credit system, which can be a real pain point for frequent users. For instance, switching voices or regenerating scenes burns through credits quickly, often leaving you with less usable output than the headline minutes suggest. This means that if you need to make multiple iterations or edits, your credits can deplete fast, making it challenging to produce extensive content without upgrading to a paid plan. Fliki is perfect for faceless creators who need to produce a large number of voice-over-narrated videos quickly in multiple languages without filming or hiring voice talent. However, if you require fine-grained frame-level editing, original cinematic footage, or guarantee flawless on-screen text, this might not be the tool for you. Similarly, vidIQ is ideal for small to mid-size YouTube creators looking for affordable keyword research and AI-assisted ideation directly within their YouTube workflow. But larger channels with more complex analytics needs should consider other options. When it comes down to it, both Fliki and vidIQ offer powerful solutions for creating engaging videos with minimal effort. Try out their free tiers today to see if they fit your needs. Links to their websites are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools for faceless creators.